Okay, so in today's video, I'm going to show you guys how I throw my cast net. So what I like to do is first make sure your rope doesn't have any tangles in it. I like to keep this loose on my wrist, and I make about 1 foot coils. Everything goes in the right hand, so we're basically going to be throwing this with one hand. I'm going to grab the horn, pull the net up, and I'm going to actually pinch it about 1 foot down. So I'm shortening this 8-foot cast net to about 7 foot. Then I'm going to grab down at my waist. So I've got all of the net in one hand at my waist. I'm going to make sure the net is clear by spreading it out, making sure that the lead line isn't tangled, that way it opens. And I'm going to split the net right down the middle in about 50%. I'm going to take the side that's on the left. Here's the secret sauce. I'm going to grab it with my right hand. See, I did that. Just going to fold that over. And I'm going to take the lead line. It actually creates an opening. I'm going to take the top edge and put right there on my thumb. I'm going to reach down all the way to the bottom. Now we've got the net open already about 50%. And let's give it a throw and see what it looks like. One of the things you'll notice, if you're casting from land, you don't have all this stuff in the way. And if your boat's like mine, this can be difficult to throw the net, because now I'm down inside the boat and I'm going to have to throw it up and over. So the motion is a little bit different, but it looks something like this. I'm going to hold my left hand just a second longer before I release it. So everything goes from the right hand. Perfect pancake. We let it sink to the bottom. We'll give it a couple of pumps to close the net. Now here's the trick. You don't want to pull your net all the way up. I'm pulling by the line. It's creating a pocket. So I'm going to pull my net only up about halfway, and then I'm going to take a wrap. And the reason I do that is it creates a pocket, which is holding my bait inside. As you can see, even on a blind cast, when it pancakes, you can get a couple of choice mullet. Hoop. So it's their lucky day. These guys are going back. So I hope that explains it. Guys, that's all I have for now. Be sure to like and subscribe, and until next time, I've been Captain James, hoping you have a latte fun fishing.